1, 2, 3, start.
Today, we will present about our system, which is College Application System. We aim to show you how college application system are being managed and processed. My name is NURSYAZANA binti SAFIAN.
And my name is ANISA binti AZMAN.
My name is NURSYAZANA SAMSUDIN.
And my name is HANISAH WAHAB.
Together, we developed the College Application System website. In this website, we have two interfaces, which is the first one is the administrative staff, and the second one is for the student. This website helps the administrative staff to handle the student's application or registration information more efficient. And you will see how the student apply the college application in this video. So let's start. First, we show you how the admin interface looks like. Let's look into the admin profile. Sign in, and you will see the interface for the admin. And here we are welcome you to our college registration. As admin, you have the manage users button, manage application button, and help button. Let's go to the manage users, which will provide a list of registered users in our college registration system.
Admin can click view on any account. We can also edit user information. There is save changes and cancel button. And at the dashboard, we can see the value for total applications, pending applications, approved applications, and rejected applications. To change this value, we can go to application. And we can click on view on the status that say pending. From here, admin can edit application information and select application status, either approved or rejected. This system will automatically go to application list 3 seconds after we change the application status. And at the dashboard, we can see the value changing. We also have the help button. And then admin can also delete any registered user. And then we click the delete button. And then admin can log out the account.
Okay, now we will try to add a user. I'll show you how the user has to register the account. So we first go to the registration, enter the full name, username, email address, password, and confirm password. Now we have to log in as the registered user just now, which is Hilman. Like sign in, and we will see the interface as a user. Here we will see the information about the UITM, which is the vision, mission, and commitment, and also the contact number for help. And let's see how to apply the college registration, which is you have to in the college application form in the personal information such as full name, IC number, date of birth. We make it. You can choose the date of birth in the calendar, and gender, which is an option. And the second one is the contact information. Enter the permanent address. You may also optionally enter the current address, and then phone number mobile and phone number home. Also email address and emergency contact. The next one is the academic information, which is student ID, faculty department, course, program name, semester, seat, and CGPA. And then we have to enter the parent guardian information, their name, the occupation, the contact number, and also the payslip document. And agree to the terms and conditions, and we submit the application. And then we will see a notification says that the form submitted successfully. Let's see the status of our application. Over here, we will see that application status has been automatically pending because the administrative hasn't approved or rejected our application yet. And If you want to change the information in the account, you may also click the account button and see the information details. And we may also add information for the user, their email and username, and also we may also change the password. In this user interface, there's also help button, which is will help you if you are in trouble for in using our website
College application system.
about how to apply, manage your account, about your ATM, and also contact support, which is if the problem hasn't been settled yet, you may also contact us in the email and the contact number given. Okay, now let's move on to the database. Let's log out. The logout button will direct you to the login interface. Let's move on to the database.
For the database, we have three tables, which is user, document, and application details. Let's look at the user first. For user, we have 7 attributes. And this is the overall that user has been registered. Now let's move to the document. For document, we have 6 attributes. Let's see at the browse. This is the overall document that has been uploaded by the user. For the last part, which is application. This application, we have 22 attributes. This is the overall application. That's all from me.
This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.